Alright guys, top of the morning. We're gonna eat a hot dog sandwich, a breakfast egg hot dog. And I made it for my girl.
It's literally 4 a.m.
Yeah, it's literally 4 a.m.
Already on the road.
Yeah. So we're gonna eat this real quick. We'll give you guys a review. Something simple.
Wait. You already know you gotta put the ketchup on the eggs.
Yeah, I brought her a ketchup packet. I'm gonna use Mexican salsa. And I'm fucking tired, but we're gonna get through this. Yep. Alright, everybody. Today, picking up a rear Nismo bumper. V2. We're driving 5 hours to the bay to pick up the bumper.
See you later. Alligator.
No. See you guys later when I have it. Dang. We got it. We got it fit somehow.
Apparently. He's gonna be sitting like that the whole ride.
Yeah. Alright guys, these are the sacrifices I have to do.
I can't see out of 2 out of my 3 mirrors.
No, it's a big sacrifice because if we get in a car accident, I'm so close to the freaking board and I'm full. But I got the rear bumper in the back, V2. Guess how much I got it, guys? Guess how much I got it for? But we did take a 5-hour drive to get here, so it took a minute. But I got it for $380. I got it for $380, and it's OEM. So that shit's expensive, like for retail, getting at a dealership or SoCal part outs and shit. But I came up on it. But the only thing we gotta spend a lot is on gas. So that's the only thing. But I'm gonna show you guys once I put it on too, and show you guys out of this wrapper, just so you guys can see how badass this fucking bumper is, and the best one to ever put on a 3-cent. Yeah, see you later. Came to eat food. So, yep, Indian food, the best. Now we're about to grub. Alright guys, so I finally got the rear bumper here. Look at this shit. Nismo V2, you guys already know. This shit looks badass, bro. I finally got it. And I'm gonna install it tomorrow. Look at my cat, guys. That's Autumn. Our money being a little nut. Alright guys, so we took off most of the trim pieces. There's one right here, one right here, one right there, and right there. Take them off. The clips are pretty hard to take off, but there's a lot of videos of how to do it. I'm just showing you guys my process during this. I'm not really showing you guys step by step, but we got everything done out. Next step is to take out the bumper. Alright guys, so you guys are gonna use a 10mm for the tail lights, 8mm to take off this one as well, and that should take off the tail lights. Now once you remove those bolts, now you could unplug this. You can plug the tail light. You could use a flathead on top right there, and it'll just pop off. Honestly, you don't really have to take off the tail light or disconnect it, because I mean all you're doing is taking off the bumper. But then you are going to be seeing these things that you're going to be putting onto the new bumper that you have, and you remove those. There's also going to be some right around here. I think they're bolts, actual bolts, and then it's just clip on from right here. So yeah, now the bumper is off. Now we got to take off the license plate, light, and low-key take off this as well, which is the third brake light. Doesn't really do much. I don't know if I should keep it because it really doesn't do much, but yeah. Alright guys, real simple how to take off the license plate light thing. There'll be 10mm right here, right here, right here, and there's also one right here, but it's not on there. Make sure you keep those little gray things because you're gonna put them on the old, or I mean on the new bumper that you're gonna put on. So make sure you keep those, and should be able to remove. Also take off this. You're gonna need these parts, and yeah. Alright guys, so this is how the rear bumper looks, and that shit looks pretty sick, to be honest. It looks amazing, you know. The only thing that's the issue.
You find out that the trunk won't open.
Yeah, the trunk will not open because, I mean, I connected it right, but as soon as I put it back down, it does not want to open anymore from the little thing right here. But that's the only issue.
And we tried from the freaking.
Yeah, we even tried the
thing
emergency.
inside.
Didn't work
Look.
either.
Tried to pry it open. No luck. Bruh. He's fighting a random piece of plastic.
Yeah. But I do need to fix this trunk issue. For future things, I need to fix this trunk issue because I can't keep it like that. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys later.